Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am bringing you a brand new Kroger ad preview. Now this is a different kind of ad. Normally our ads are only 1 week, but this one is actually starting on Wednesday, December 15th, and it's going through Tuesday, the 28th. So it's a 2-week ad. And of course, we all understand why this is. Of course, we have Christmas that's going to be in the middle of this, and they're probably just not wanting to have to produce another ad in the middle of a holiday. So this makes things a lot easier. So let's check all this out. But before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. Because as you know, I'm constantly putting out Kroger videos, and you definitely want to catch them when they come in. All right, so let's start out with this front page here. Now, big thank you to ladysavings.com. This is where I'm getting this ad preview. I will tell you my personal ad in the last few weeks, the prices have actually been a little higher, anywhere from just a couple cents to up to 50 cents higher. Sometimes it's 20 cents higher, just little things like that. So do take that into consideration that your area may be different than what we're looking at in this particular ad. It's just usually a few cents difference, but you could still get amazing deals. So we have the Kroger sliced ham there for 87 cents per pound. You know, definitely want to be grabbing these good deals, and you're getting 2 times the fuel points on produce and meat. So that's pretty awesome there. Let's see. We have the weekly digital deals over here. Coffee for $3.97 for that Kroger brand coffee. So really great deal there. We have the pancake mix there. Pearl Milling Company. So I'm wondering if that's a regional company or that's a regional product. I've never actually heard of that personally. I'm wondering, sometimes we get little different products too with same type of deals, but $1.97 each, and you can get pancake mix, plus you can get the syrup, which that's pretty good. Have your breakfast ready for Christmas, right? 97 cents on either orange juice or those Kinder Bueno candies there, or Kinder Joys. So, if you're looking for stocking stuffers, things like that, you might be able to grab some really great deals there. 97 cents is a pretty good deal for those Kinder Joys. Even with we had 33% off on candy the other day, it was still like $1.09. So this is a pretty good deal. Let's see, we have the shrimp there, large cooked shrimp for $7.99 per pound. You have $2.77 per pound on the fresh Kroger ground beef. Remember, you want to be stocking up on good meat deals. If you have a freezer, a deep freeze, you may want to grab things when they're good deals and throw them in the freezer, because we all know that prices are going up. Inflation is happening big time. I would say we're probably trying to hold it off through the holidays, but we're going to see it rise even more in the new year. So just start stocking up on things that you can, so you can save money later. All right, moving on to the second page here. All right, we have the 4 for $12 on the Pepsi or 7-Up. Now, we have some deals going on with Ibotta. We know the Pepsi Zero 12-pack cans, you're getting some money back on those, and so you can factor that into the 4 for $12. There's current deals going on with that type of thing. I actually think it's a little better currently, because maybe it's not, because I think it's 3 for $11. So 4 for $12, you're actually getting an extra one for $1 more. So that's probably a better deal if you wait. Back over to the weekly digitals. On top of, you get 2 times the fuel point for some Simple Truth cashews there. So that's pretty cool. $11.97. Purex is going to have that liquid laundry detergent for $1.97. I did pop over to check to see if we had any coupons that go with Purex. We don't, but $1.97 each. Pretty sweet deal there for that. You have the candlelight jar candles for $2.97 each. So if you're looking for, again, for stocking stuffers or small Christmas gifts or teacher gifts, things like that, $2.97, good deal there. Okay. Just going to scroll down here. 4 for $6 on your cheeses. You have to buy 4 to get that price. So $1.50 each on those Kroger cheeses. Look to see if you have any kind of store coupons on those. I know I buy this cheese all the time, so I'm constantly getting best customer bonus for like 85 cents off too, things like that. So you could actually make these deals a little sweeter if you have those coupons. Okay, let's go on to the next page. Let me know if you see anything that I've missed. I'll be sure to give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, we have the alcohol deals, which I'm not going to read to you, but I am going to look at the digital deals, the weekly digital deals that are happening there. So we do have a deal on the Kroger breakfast sausage, $2.47 each. I'm going to stock up on all 5 of those. And you're going to get 2 times the fuel points on that product, so that's really great. We also have the Kroger butter for $1.97 each. Loving this deal. We're back down below $2 on this, at least in this particular ad. My area may vary and change, but if it's $1.97, it's a stock up price for me. I'm going to grab all 5 of them. Throw them in the freezer. We have $2.77 each on your Lay's party size potato or kettle cooked potato chips or Doritos, it looks like there. So party size, again, if you're going to parties and holidays, you may want to just stock up on all 5 of your bags, and that way you can grab and go kind of thing. Okay, let me know. Are you the kind of person that makes an actual dish? Are you like me and you go buy like, say I'll bring the chips or I'll bring the veggie tray and I buy it from Kroger for $10? Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you're one of those. I am not. So we literally went to a Christmas party last night and I stopped at Kroger and got a apple pie that was pre-made. That was what I brought. So I brought dessert. All right, Le Croc's there for $1.97. And then we have the Private Selection cream pies for $8.97. And Scott bath tissue for $3.97. A lot of times we'll have 50% off one coupon, so not a huge savings, but if you compare it with this, it'd be really good. So I will put together a Kroger advertised deals video on Tuesday for you, so that way you can be prepared for what the matchups are before we go into this actual sale on Wednesday. So do take a look for that video to pop up, but you'll have the if we do have any coupons to go with the Scott, I'll make sure I put it in there. All right, let's move on to the next slide here. So this again is the center part of the ad where it's folded down the middle. And so you've just got sale prices. We have Starbucks coffee for $6.99. I know we've been having a $1 off one coupon that was digital. I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, obviously you could use it on there. You have 2 for $6 on the Thomas English muffins or bagels. I know Fetch has had some rewards going on there. I also know there's like one of those rewards where you spend so much. I think it's been $12. You get some money back on that. So anyway, definitely if you're getting those, submit to Fetch. Let's see. Again, let me know if you see something pop up. Let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a big shout out. So Blue Bonnet's just 99 cents for that vegetable spread. So if you're not real specific about it being butter, you could obviously have a better price there, and you can make all your cookies with that kind of stuff. Kroger salad dressing is going to be $2.49, and it's the big bottles. It looks like 36 ounce. Encore entrees for $2.99. All right, so here's kind of like the sale that's happening. Is 3 is a deal. We've seen this back over Thanksgiving or right before Thanksgiving, where it's a baking event. Buy 2, get the 3rd item free. Whichever is the lowest priced should be the free one. But I think a few of you have told me if you bought 3 of the same product, then that 3rd product was free, even if you had like 6 different items and they were, different. I don't know. So, we have the eggs there. We have some, I thought the Betty Crocker frosting was a pretty good deal. So $1.50. You pay $3 for 3 of them, so $1 each, and that's a no coupon deal. I generally can't find a lot of deals when it comes to the frosting. I always feel like we get pretty decent deals on cake mixes or brownie mixes, but when you get to frosting, generally there's not a lot of deals, so that's obviously a really good deal there. Cake mixes are, and it looks like the Jet Puff mini marshmallows are going to be $1.25 each, so you buy 3 of them, you'd pay $2.50 for that. So you're looking at under $1 each. I haven't done my math yet. But some pretty good deals. Something else you can tell me in the comments. Are you doing any kind of cookie baking or cake baking or anything for Christmas? I know growing up, my mom and my aunt always would take an entire weekend, and they would bake cookies. It was like massive. And I mean, we had cookies coming out our ears, and it was just crazy. It was so much fun. I remember doing it as a kid. My favorite thing to do was to roll the balls for the Buckeyes. If you ever made Buckeyes, where it's like the peanut butter, like balls dipped in chocolate. And so I remember I'd make them forever because we made a ton of them. It was so much fun. And I remember doing that as growing up. So let me know in the comments. I don't do that anymore. I hate cooking and baking, but yeah. All right, private selection variety cheese tray for $6.99 there. I think we have some coupons, digital coupons for those. It is a Kroger coupon. I'm not sure if it's for private selection or something else. I'll definitely have to check that out. Kroger bacon, $8.49. I know my husband's grandma, she's in her 90s, and she's so upset about the price of bacon right now. I don't know, out of all things to be upset about, that's what she's upset about. All right, ice creams for $2.50. We have Nabisco crackers here for $1.99. I know we have a couple of deals going on with Ibotta and Kroger Cashback, so take a look at those. We have some cereals here for $1.79. Keebler cookies for $1.99. We have Tostitos and Smart Food popcorn there for $3.49. Breyer's ice cream and some water for $2.49. Vital Farms pasture-raised eggs, and you have Dave's Killer Bread, or you have some bagels and English muffins, all organic, for $4.49. Crest toothpaste or mouthwash for $5.99. Brownie paper towels or sparkle paper towels, $5.49. You have Huggies, the boxes for $23.49. That seems so expensive. Maybe it's just a really giant box. Okay. We have the Kroger soft and strong bath tissue for $8.99. You have the Tide liquid laundry detergent for $8.99 after some digital coupons. You want to make sure you load all these digital coupons. I guess I should have said that first. But digital coupons, those are store coupons with the sale. And if we do have manufacturer coupons, you can pair it with it. So I think we have like a 3 off 2 for the Tide coupon that you could pair with it. So you could probably get those really for $7.49 each, that type of thing. All right, moving on. The back side of the ad, we have some produce and meat deals usually on the back. And again, 2 times the fuel points. It's probably a digital coupon you have to load, so just make sure that you do that on Wednesday before you purchase anything. All right. Anything you see, let me know. I'm going to move on. Bottom side here, so this is more of your meats. Again, 2 times the fuel points. 69 cents per pound on your whole turkeys. I don't know, anybody else still need? I've still got turkey leftovers, like from Thanksgiving. I think I'm going to have to throw them out. We tried. There was a lot. I said after Thanksgiving I should freeze that, like half the meat, and I didn't do it. So it's probably my own fault. Okay, so something I thought was really cool is the Kroger shrimp platters are buy one, get one free. These tend to be quite expensive, so buy one, get one free gives you an automatic 50% off. So that's pretty exciting there. Something else that I noticed was the 7-Up, Schweppes, and Sierra Mist are 99 cents each when you buy 5. Now, I know Schweppes has a 50-cent back on one rebate, so you're going to get those for 49 cents. I actually cannot find these Schweppes in my store. I don't know if it's just not being delivered or we don't carry them, but I was very upset because we've had this deal going on already, and I cannot find them to do this deal. I wanted the Ibotta rebate plus the cheap soda, and yeah, can't find it. All right, some pumpkin pie there for $3.99. Go on to the next page. Buy one, get one free on this Sabre hummus there. 2 times the fuel points on those Hormel gathering party trays. Okay, so $10.99, but that's pretty typical for those types of trays, and they're quite large. So the Kroger vegetable tray, I should know the price. I buy these all the time. I actually went to the store. I ended up getting the pie yesterday instead of getting the vegetable tray, but I went to get the vegetable tray and it was $10. So $8.99 on sale there. Good price. You're saving a little extra money. Plus you're going to get 2 times the fuel points. Be the one that brings the vegetable tray like me, right? All right, Coffee Mate, 3 for $10 there. Kroger dinner rolls, 2 for $3. Let's see, eggnog, $3.49. I don't know. I'm not an eggnog person. Let me know if you are. Okay, anything you see in particular that jumps out at you? All right, we're going to just go through a couple more things here for the holiday deals. So hopefully you were grabbing your uh, holiday gift sets that were 50% off on sale. We have, most of these say $9.99. That's normally their normal price. So it's just in the ad to let you know that it's available, but it's not any kind of big savings. You can, however, pair any kind of coupon. So if you have like an Aveeno coupon that would work with that particular set, you can use that. We know we can use like big coupons there. So even if you can't get them 50% off, you can pair them with coupons that are in your inserts. Okay, bottom of the page here. So buy two, get one free on your handy foil pans with lids. Holiday pet beds are $15.99. We have the rainbow acorns eggs. My daughters love those rainbow acorns. So we have a few of them. Scotch tapes, $2.99. You know you're going to be wrapping some gifts, right? 40% off on all your holiday wrap. If you're not like me and you have to purchase it, you might be a good deal here. I always purchase all of my wrapping the year after, or like right after Christmas the year before. So I've already got all my wrapping paper and everything ready to go for this year. I always get it on super duper cheap clearance, usually at like a Walmart or something like that. But honestly, I've gotten it at Kroger before because it was like 75% off or something like that. It was just a really good deal. It was a really cute paper. So it just depends on where I see it, but I will always purchase it after Christmas is over. 40% off on holiday toys. And there's Keurig K Mini Brewers for $59.99. And that's all we've got, guys, this week. So it's actually 2 weeks. So next Saturday, I probably will not be doing anything with Kroger, or at least not doing an ad preview, because we're doing a 2-week ad preview here. Let me know in the comments if you see anything that's super exciting. Like I said, when it's around a holiday, we tend to not have the big sales because they want to let their employees have a little bit more time. And it's already crazy. People are going to be shopping regardless of whether or not there's sales, because people are going to be buying out of need. So that's why it's been so important that you grab the deals the last couple of weeks when we've had really amazing sales. And of course, if you're new to couponing and saving and things like that, you'll learn these over time. Like I said, clearance after holidays is the best time to buy for the next year. You just have to make sure you have a place to store everything and remember where you put it, because I've had that happen too. I bought stuff and put it in a closet and forgot about it. There was one gift I bought for my mom and I put it in my closet, and we moved, and I found it when we were packing to move, and I gave it to her for that Christmas, like 5 or 6 years after I'd already purchased it. Luckily, it was nothing consumable. It was like a game that I had bought her. But that happens all the time. All right, guys, if you like these Kroger ad preview videos, please give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all. Have a wonderful 2 weeks here. And of course, come back and check out some Kroger must-do deals and advertised deals that I'm going to put out later on this week. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.